Hi fam, so whether you're a beans lover or a beans hater, Ewa Agoyin is one beans recipe you really love to try out. It's very delicious, indigenous to the Yoruba people of Nigeria. When I tasted these beans, I really loved it and I found out how to make it, and that's what I did. And I've just also showed us how to make this wonderful delicious recipe. So you just want to stay back and watch how I did this. It's very easy to make and you absolutely love it. So guys, welcome back to my channel. To my returning subscribers, thank you for always. If this is your first time of stopping by, you don't want to go past the stage without clicking on the subscribe button, and please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Drop me a comment down below. I'd love to engage with you. I love you. So for this recipe, we need some peppers, plantain, crayfish, onion, ginger, seasoning, salt, palm oil, beans, more. For the pepper, this particular dry pepper is what you should use, and you'll be soaking that overnight for like 24 hours, but it's very important for the recipe. And then the other sweet peppers. So first of all, you want to get a clean pot, put it on the fire, add some water, enough to cook your beans. Proceed to wash your beans. I used warm water from the tap. Wash that like 3 times and then add it to your pot. Cover and allow to cook. Of course, beans take so long to cook, so you are going to cook that for like 1 hour. Then now you prepare your peppers and your onion and we'll blend them just like this. Now you want to start making the sauce. Add your palm oil in the pot. Let it get hot, very hot, just like that. Pour in your onion and then begin to fry. Let it get brownish like this before adding in your pepper mix. And then once you add the pepper mix, the work begins. Ewa Agoyin takes so long to make, but then it's very delicious. You just want to try this out, especially as you can keep the sauce for as long as even 6 months, and it doesn't get spoiled. After adding the pepper mix, you just want to pour in your crayfish, give that a nice stir, and then begin to fry. This frying took me about 45 minutes, and because it was splashing, peppers had some water, I had to use my strainer to cover. So I always come back to check after every 5 minutes and give that a stir again so it doesn't get burnt. Of course, as it keeps going, it keeps changing color. After a while, you add in your seasoning and your salt. Now Ewa Agoyin is not Ewa Agoyin until this sauce turns black but not burnt. Now you want to go back and check your beans. Your beans should be very soft, such a way that it should be easy to smash. So at this point, it was not yet very soft. I needed to add some water and then add some salt at that point. Come back to check your sauce and you keep frying. You keep frying and frying this. My own didn't get so black because I wanted what my husband would eat. I know seeing something black was going to scare him, so I had to stop where I stopped. After I must have fried that to some extent, you add in your washed pomo already sliced, and then you keep frying. You see it's getting black and dark. For me, this was where I stopped. But if you really want the real Ewa Agoyin, you need to fry this small to get it black. Like I'll show you a picture. I think that's what I used for my thumbnail. So now you want to go back to your beans and check at this point is done. Then you proceed to smash the beans. Either use a whisk or a spatula, whichever you have. Smash that till it's well done. Then proceed to fry your plantain. I had some oil on the wok, and when it got hot, I sliced my plantain and put that in there and allow it to fry. If you've watched to this point and you're here to give this video a thumbs up, please do so right now. If you're here to subscribe to the channel, do so as well. So you just want to bring out the plantain when it's a bit brown, and then this was how I served my beans and Ewa Agoyin. This was how I designed it. The eye needs to eat first before the stomach, so you want to give that a really very beautiful aesthetics. So this was what I got, and then you just want to serve your sauce on top of that. I'll just leave you to go try this and come tell me what it tastes like. I don't want to hype this too much, but trust me, this will be the most delicious beans recipe you've ever had. So the remaining of my sauce, you can just keep it in an airtight jar and keep it in a cool place. It can last for as much as 6 months. It's stressful, but then it's worth making. Thank you for watching, guys. See you when next we'll see. Bye bye.